If you get this kind of noise, then just turn on the taps and this noise will go away. I'll show you in a second. So just turn on these taps. The hot water tap. And the noise is away. And if your bar pressure is in red and it's keep going up, just turn, like instead of going this way, minimize the temperature. Leave the tap on and your bar pressure will start reducing. Certain. You can see that. And if the pressure is too low, like for example if it's over here at 0 and you're getting an error E19, which means error 19, the details are mentioned here as well. And in this book, error E19, if you get that error, then just move this knob, like turn that knob on, Weber, and that will solve your pressure problem.